Hi guys! Welcome to the unboxing of our stunning New York City Skyline wall decor by Gazer Laser. First, you'll need a cutter and a pair of scissors to start the unboxing. Next, let's take a look at the LED box with all the related accessories. Open the box and check the contents to ensure you have everything you need. Inside, you'll find the LED tube, USB power cable, and remote control, all essential for bringing your artwork to life. Now, let's move on to the next carton box, which contains the wall hooks. This box includes 2 wall hooks designed to hold your wall decor perfectly secured on the wall. Inside, you'll find the 2 sturdy wall hooks along with screws and anchors for easy installation. Now, it's the exciting time. Let's carefully pull out the packaged wall decor from the carton box. Handle the artwork with care as you lift it out of the box, ensuring you don't damage any intricate details. By the way, don't forget to grab the installation user manual included in the carton box. This user manual provides step-by-step instructions to help you easily install your new wall decor. With detailed diagrams and easy-to-follow steps, you'll have your New York City skyline artwork up on the wall in no time. Next, take out the wooden shelf from the box. This shelf is designed to attach easily to the LED tube using built-in magnets. Now, you have the option to cut the ribbon or open it up easily. For a more elegant touch, gently untie the ribbon to reveal your beautiful New York City skyline wall decor. Now, let's cut the tapes that are securing the protective sheets around your wall decor. Carefully cut each piece of tape to ensure you don't damage the artwork beneath. Once the tapes are cut, gently peel away the protective sheets to reveal the full beauty of your New York City skyline wall decor. This final step adds a special moment of anticipation and excitement as you unveil your new masterpiece. Our stunning piece is now ready to be installed and admired. Make sure to check the hologram on the backside of the artwork, which indicates it's an original product made by Gazer Laser. This hologram is your assurance of authenticity and quality craftsmanship. Each artwork is marked with this unique hologram, so you can be confident you're receiving a genuine, high-quality product. Before installation, let's check the LED lighting with its remote control to ensure everything is working perfectly. Now, let's attach the LED tube with the wooden shelf by connecting the magnets together as shown in this video. Now, let's connect the USB cable to the LED tube and turn on the power key. First, plug the USB cable into the designated port on the LED tube. Next, plug the other end of the USB cable into a power source, such as a USB adapter or a computer. Finally, press the power key on the LED tube to turn it on. Now the masterpiece decor is ready to install on the wall. Thank you for choosing Gazer Laser.